Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. Okay, so today is all about styling a pixie cat. So we're going to do the pin curl style of curling for this pixie cat. Okay, so I'm just prepping the hair down for me to start curling it. Okay, so I'm just cutting off excess hair using my razor comb to make sure that everything is perfect for me to start curling. Okay, so stay tuned and see how everything will go. All right, so before you do this, you have a pixie curl. You have to know that you have to prep the hair, which I did earlier, using the razor comb to cut excess hair, and then I'm just trying to mold it with my mousse to make sure everything is fit for me to curl. So after applying the mousse, I'll comb through for the mousse to be evenly distributed into the hair strands. That after that, I will just mold it and then get ready for me to start curling. Okay, all right, so that's what I'm doing right there. That's what I'm doing right there, combing through to make sure mousse is evenly distributed to all hair strands. That's what we are doing. Okay, so the next thing is to just cover the hair with a scarf to help me secure everything. Then after about some few hours, like 3 hours, then I remove the scarf, and this is how it is looking. Then I'll start curling afterwards. So this is what I'm doing right now. This is the pin curls I'm doing. I'm just picking the hair bit by bit with the tip of my comb and then curling it, and then using my finger to position it well. So there's something about pin curls. You have to use your fingers to play with the curls. Okay, so for it to come out the way you want it, for it to come out the way you prefer it. Okay, so this is not something that is static. It's not a style that is static, that this is how it is and this is how it's going to be. You have to play around with it. So when you bring it for us to curl for you, then it gets to you. When you're coming to wear it, you have to play around it as well. So that's what I'm still doing here. I'm using my curler, pixie curler, to continue curling, and then using my finger to position it well, making sure everything sits very well. So that's what I'm doing right there, a bit by bit. So this is a hair that you need time. It needs a lot of time, so you need patience to sit down to curl all this. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. But one thing you should know that is that this is not going to last forever. So meaning as time goes on, the curls will go, and you have to redo this as well at home. Okay, all right, so that's what I'm just doing. So we keep on curling, position it with the fingers, curling, pick it, curl, position, pick with a finger or the tip of the comb, and then curl, position with your finger. So that's what is going on right there. Okay, so you need your curler, you need your mousse, you need your comb, and you need your fingers. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we are doing. And then the front side, the person wanted a little bit longer, so you could see that part is a bit longer, so the curls will be bigger than those at the back. Okay, so that's what we are doing right there. So it needs a lot of time. You need time actually, patience. Yeah, so if you have somebody who doesn't have patience, then you don't need to do the pin curls. Okay, so this is how it is looking. I'm just trying to adjust the closure with my hot comb to make sure everything lay flat and give me a defined pattern, my C part for my closure. Applying more mousse to secure it. Okay, so when you finish all this, you have to spreeze on it to make it firmer for you so the curl doesn't leave early. Okay, so for pixie curls, and then for pin curls, Chioma curls or Chioma hairstyles, all of them, you need mousse, you need sprees before the curls will last longer, or the style will last longer for you. So that is what we just did right there. That's what we just did. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, comment, and share my videos. See you in my other videos. Okay, love you all.